In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a call to action in your Google Ads campaign. This is a crucial step to maximize the effectiveness of your ads by prompting user engagement and driving targeted actions. Let's dive in, and I'll guide you through the entire process from start to finish. First, head over to the Google Ads website. This platform is designed to help you reach your potential customers effectively with online advertising tools. Once at the homepage, you'll want to click on the Sign In button. If you haven't set up an account yet, this might be a good opportunity to do so. However, assuming you have an account, sign in with your credentials to access the Google Ads home. Once you are on the Google Ads home, the next step is to locate and click on the Campaign tab. This moves us close to the section where we can add specific elements to enhance our advertisement campaign. Here you get a comprehensive overview of the campaigns you've run, are running, or plan to launch. It's a good habit to regularly review this section to understand your current campaign's reach and impact. After you click on Campaign, look for and select the Assets tab. Assets are various elements such as text, images, and buttons that you can integrate into your campaigns to boost their appeal and effectiveness. Today though, we will focus on adding a call to action element, which is a pivotal factor in guiding your audience towards taking specific actions. Under Assets, you will find the Site Link extension. Click on it to start creating links that provide more opportunities for your potential customers to explore what you offer directly from your ads. Site links allow you to direct users to specific pages on your website that you want to draw attention to. For instance, you might include links to your best sellers, a contact page, or perhaps a special offer page. Now this brings us to the main focus, utilizing CTA focused extensions. These are designed specifically to prompt your audience with direct calls to action such as learn more, buy now, or sign up today. These phrases clearly communicate what you want your audience to do next, and can be compelling tools in transforming interest into action. Ensure that your CTAs are tailored to align with the goals of your campaign and resonate with your target audience's needs. As you set these options, remember to keep monitoring their performance through the Assets and Campaigns dashboard. This way you'll learn what's working and what might need adjusting to optimize your ads performance further. And there you go, a comprehensive guide to adding a call to action in your Google Ads campaign. By following these steps, you can create more engaging and effective ads, encouraging your audience to take the actions you want them to. Happy advertising!